Good viewers. Okay, in this video, we'll be talking about lead singer's mom as she finally speaks up on the heartbreaking incident that happened to her son. Days after mohbad's death, his mom has surfaced with a cry for help and more details on what he went through. The woman first debunked the news that she passed away years ago and noted that she had no idea what he went through in his last days.
Mohbad Promise Ọládiméjì Emmanuel Ayọ̀bámi mi ò kú o, mo wà láyé ṣùgbọ́n ta ló gbàdúrà ẹ̀ kí na ọmọ kó jó kó wá máa sọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pátápátá kò sí nǹkan kan tí mo mọ̀ o, ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ yí pé ẹni tó bá pa ọmọ mi ikú ẹ̀ ò ti ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run wá, ènìyàn ló pa ọmọ mi. Ẹni tó bá pa ọmọ mi inú ilé ẹ̀ máa gbóná, ogun máa jà, ọ̀fọ̀ máa ṣẹ́, ògo ọmọ wọn nínú ìdílé wọn bó ṣe máa wọ mí nìyẹn o. Àtẹni tó pa àtọmọ ẹ̀ torí wọ́n dá mi lóró. Mi ò kú, mo wà láyé o, ṣùgbọ́n kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ kí n máa sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ nípa ọmọ mi? Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ? Ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ tí mo fẹ́ sọ pé láti ayé Náírà ni mo ti mọ̀ ọmọ mi ò ní ìsinmi o, ọkàn ọmọ mi ò balẹ̀. Gbogbo ìgbà tí wọ́n parọ́ oríṣiríṣi mọ́ mi ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ torí wọ́n fún mi lágbára láti sọ̀rọ̀. Mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ mi pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, mo sì pe ọmọ mi ní àárọ̀, ó fún mi lówó pé kí n lọ sí hospital yẹn ni mo ti pè é lóní mọ́mì nǹkan máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìgbà tí wọ́n wá mú tọ́rọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, studio ló wà tó lọ kọrin, ṣùgbọ́n gbà tó mọ̀ pé nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ló sáré wá. Mo wá bí pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan, kó ṣàlàyé. Mi ni mo bí ẹ, èmi láyé ẹ, èmi dẹ̀ lọ́rùn ẹ. Ó ní mọ́mì nǹkan tó ń mọ̀ pé òun wá láti inú sùn, nǹkan gbọ́ pé nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ lòun ṣe wá. Ó ní wọ́n ṣàkó àwọn lọ, ó ní ṣùgbọ́n omi náà fún òun tóun mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun mọ́. Ó ní omi náà fún òun mọ́ tóun mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́. Ìgbà yẹn ni mo ti kò sí, ẹ gbà mí. Mo dúró, kò sí bí a máa sákiri ní èmi àtọmọ mi. Ó ti kú orí mi, èmi ò rí. A máa sákiri ní, kò lè sùn, ìbẹ̀rù ìfòyà ní Promise fi kú. Àyà jíjá ti pọ̀ jù. Tó bá yẹ kó lọ sí show mi gan kò ní lè lọ, wọ́n náà náírà bọ̀ ojoojúmọ́ náà nà. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa pè mí, àwọn tó máa ń pè mí gan mi ní mọ̀. Wọ́n kàn ní ọmọ mi o, wípé Mohbad o, èmi gan mi ò ní sinmi o, títí tí Promise fi kú. Ìbẹ̀rù ìfòyà ni mo wà kó tó kú yìí. 10 days ni mo lò nínú ilé ẹ̀. Àfìgbà tí ìjọ Sátidé ni mo kúrò nílé, àfìgbà tí máa gbọ́ òkú ọmọ mi ní ọjọ́ Monday. Mo sì pè ìyàwó ẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ Monday, àjọ sọ̀rọ̀. Kò ju wákàtí kan lọ, wọ́n pè mí. Pèmí gan ni mo tún pè. Wọ́n pè mí pé mọ́mì òun ò ní ṣòkú ọmọ o, òun ò ní ṣòkú ọ̀pá o. Mo ní kí ni? Inú ilé ẹni mo wà yìí, ṣó yẹ kí tún máa wà nínú ilé ọmọ mi, mi lè wọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣe àbẹ̀ mí pé kí n wá jó, kí n wá ni. Ẹ gbà mí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ẹ gbà mí, ẹ̀yin abiyamọ. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ, ẹ gbà mí, gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ irọ́ ni. Wọ́n ló ya wèrè, ẹ mọ nǹkan tó ń pò ní ya wèrè ni. Promise ya wèrè, ó ṣèyàwó, mo ṣèyàwó fún. Ó bímọ. Ìyẹn èèyàn, ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bòrò kó ọrùn. Ọmọ mi ò ya wèrè o. Tọ́mọ á sọ pé ọmọ mi ya wèrè, ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tó sọ pé ya wèrè, ẹ bá mi pè wọ́n hospital wo ni wọ́n lọ tó ti sọ pé ya wèrè. Hospital wo, ó ṣàna hospital tí wọ́n lọ gbọ́, hospital tó ń lò tó fi náà ya wèrè, result wèrè dà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ gbà mí o, ọmọ Nàìjíríà, abiyamọ ọ̀run àtàbíamọ ayé, ẹ gbà mí. Mi ò kú o, ṣùgbọ́n mi mọ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe. O. Ó fọmọ sílẹ̀ o, ó fìyàwó sílẹ̀. Àdúrà wà ń bẹ, ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ, èmi náà wà ń bẹ. mi ò kú ẹ gbà mí, mi rí ìyàwó, mi rí ọmọ. Ẹ ṣàánú mi.
Mohbad's mom then went on to place curses on everyone who had a hand in her son's death and revealed he had no peace of mind since he involved in or signed with NairaMarley's record. She also shared details of how the lead singer was falsely accused of a crime and she was helpless because she was not given the grace to speak. That's just so bad. That's just so bad. Mohbad's mom corroborated his statement about drinking water which contained an unknown substance, and she had been running around since then. The emotional woman called on Nigerians to come to her aid. Okay, guys, you can see her crying there, and she's so pained. She's so pained. Note some netizens were saying, why did it take her long to come out? Took her this long to come out to talk about her son, and why some were shouting that why was she not crying out for justice for her son? That why did she just come out in the blue moon and now after 5 days she's coming out? But the woman is pained. Why some people are saying that nobody understands the woman's pain, and she's really pained. You know, this saga has been coming up. Even Mohbad's sister has said that it was even booked for a psychiatric review and everything, but it didn't work out. But it's so painful how the singer died, and it's such a big loss, and it's painful that he has not been living a good life. Like, he has not been living a peaceful life, as the singer complained before he died. Only Bella's mother made reference to it before he died. So just pray that the soul of Mohbad rests in perfect peace and he finds solace wherever he is. And I just console for the family too. I know it's very hard this period to take, but it's very, very difficult. I just wish them well, that with time they'll just forget about this saga and this pain in their heart. Okay, that's the wrap, guys. So please do not forget to share, like, also comment on our YouTube channel. Please also remember to subscribe. Cancel our videos without subscribing, so bring you lovely content. Until then, bye bye, adios.